So let's take a look at how to use insert query on SQLite database table. So I have my one database named game group, inside which I have groups table, in which I have ID, name and email as 3 columns, and I'm going to use insert query to add some data to it. Okay, so create one sample.js file so that we can run our node code. Okay, so first thing you should do is use constant SQLite, then require SQLite 3, and we are going to open it in verbose mode. Okay, next thing is to let database reference to your SQLite and then call for database function that takes argument as the path where which your gamegroup.db file is stored. Now sample.js and gamegroup.db are in the same folder. Okay, so I have made this path reference. Okay, next thing, to use db.run, and here I'm going to use insert query. So use insert into groups as my table name, then ID, name and email, then close this, and then values as, let's say, ID number 10. Okay, and then I'm going to use double quote where I'm going to use name as, let's say, Ariel, and email ariel@gmail.com. Okay, so after that you can also make sure to use single quote for query. Okay, and don't forget to close this, then again single quote, and then your comma, and here you should use function error row, and then down here we have to catch those errors. So if error, here you have to use console log error dot message, and outside that, okay, make sure to close this. Okay, and here console.log, here you have to add, let's say, entry added to table. Okay, once you do that, you can run this code, open command prompt or PowerShell, and here type in node, then space, then sample.js. If it returns with a message of entry added, that means code ran successfully. Okay, it says entry added to the table. Now you can check this by opening this database in, let's say, some SQLite database browser or some IDE where you can verify that. You can also check out my another video where I have made select query and you can verify the results. So in this video we see how to insert data into your SQLite database table using insert query.